kids. In going to school lesson, we saw some children how to go to school. We learn no? We learn this one no? Yes. See, now Ladakh children also how to go to school we learned. We learned about pulley. We learned about bridges. Okay, and their question answers. We learned about Vallam. Kerala students going to school by a Vallam. We learned about Rajasthan camel cart. Rajasthan children, Rajasthan people going to from one place to another place through a camel cart. Now villages people, we learned about this one. Villages people going to one place to from another place to a bullock cart. We learned about this one all now. And see here, we ride our bicycles on the long road to schools. This one girl saying we learned bicycles. We are going to school by a bicycle. In some places there is no vehicles. The school is far from their house. So that from their people, students, they are going to school, other places from a bicycle. Okay, this much we all learned. Now we are going to learn a special transport. See how it is there. It is called a Jugaad. It is called a Jugaad. This type of vehicles, where are there? In Gujarat. Jugaad vehicles are there in Gujarat. See kids how they are enjoying their travel. Gujarat peoples are going to from one place to another place through a Jugaad. They are, see, look at this one special transport. It sounds pat pat pat. How it makes a sound? Pat 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 when it runs. This one Jugaad vehicle, when it runs, it makes pat pat pat. इस व्हीकल का नाम है जुगाड़. एक ऐसा साउंड करता है फट फट फट. See kids, its front looks like a motorcycle. Its fronts look like a motorcycle. Okay, it is just like a motorcycle, same to same is there now. And back carriage made from wood. Front look like a front part looks like a motorcycle and back carriage is made from the wood. See, front is different and back is different. Is it something special vehicle? No, different vehicle is there? No. The front looks like a motor, but the black carriage is at its back is made out from plank of wood. The Jugaad has been made by using waste material. So it is called a Jugaad. In this vehicle used different things. In this vehicle used different things and finally turned it as a perfect vehicle. इस व्हीकल बनाने के लिए कौन सा थिंग्स यूज किया है? डिफरेंट थिंग्स यूज किया है. इट इज मेड फ्रॉम different waste materials and turned it as a perfect vehicles. Understood, kids? Okay, now we will see some questions from this vehicle, upon this vehicle and this one Gujarat place. First question is, do you have a such vehicle in your area? Do you have? आपके गांव में या आपके आजू बाजू में, मतलब आपके नज़दीक के गांव में, सिटी में ऐसा व्हीकल्स है? जुगाड़ व्हीकल्स इज देयर? व्हीकल्स आर देयर? जुगाड़ व्हीकल इज देयर? नो. वेयर वी लाइव there is no जुगाड़ व्हीकल्स. जहाँ पर हम रहते हैं वहाँ पर इस तरह से व्हीकल्स नहीं है. We have buses, cars, bikes, so on, because we have facility, good facilities. हमारे यहाँ पर ऐसे व्हीकल्स नहीं है. Now see second question. What do you call them in your area? What do you call it, this one vehicle? This type of vehicles are in Gujarat. The Gujarat people called it as a जुगाड़. ऐसे व्हीकल गुजरात में है तो गुजरात पीपल्स इसको क्या बुलाते हैं? जुगाड़. आपके यहाँ पर है? नो, नहीं है. तो फिर अब क्या बुलाएंगे? कुछ भी नहीं. कुछ भी नहीं ना? यस. We are not having any name for this type of vehicles because we are not have this one vehicles. ऐसा vehicle भी नहीं है, उसका नाम भी नहीं है हमारे यहाँ पर. Understood now? Okay. Now third one. Would you like to ride something like this and why? Would you like? आपको ऐसे जुगाड़ जैसा व्हीकल्स राइड करने के लिए अच्छा लगता है और क्यों? Yes, if it's looking a very different vehicle, no? When we'll sit, we should enjoy the nature's scenes. We lots of take enjoy from this type of vehicles. There is a no roof. We'll stand in this one. We'll stand in this type of vehicles and we'll see the outside all scenes. Okay. Now next question is, can you tell why it is called a जुगाड़? Can you tell why it is called a जुगाड़? इसको जुगाड़ क्यों बोलते हैं? आपको पता है? This vehicle is a very interesting vehicle. It is called जुगाड़ because it has been made by using a waste material. It has been made by using waste materials. waste जो यूज़ के लिए नहीं आता, साइड में डाले रहते हैं ना, ये अच्छा नहीं है डालो, वो अच्छा नहीं डालो, घर में रखा हुआ वेस्ट मटेरियल, कंपनी में रखा हुआ वेस्ट मटेरियल्स, शॉप में रखा हुआ वेस्ट मटेरियल्स रहता है ना, सभी वेस्ट मटेरियल को मिलाकर इस व्हीकल को क्रिएट किया है, बनाया है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड अ जुगाड़. It has been made by using a waste material, so it is called a जुगाड़. Understood, my kids? Okay. Now see, जुगाड़ has been made by waste materials. Over. Why do not you also try to make a something by putting together some waste materials? हियर आस्क वन क्वेश्चन, आप क्यों नहीं बनाते ऐसा वेस्ट मटेरियल को लेकर एक नया थिंग? यू ऑल्सो टेक अ वेस्ट मटेरियल एंड क्रिएट अ वन डिफरेंट थिंग। अंडरस्टूड ना? आप भी कुछ भी ऐसा वेस्ट पड़ा हुआ रहता है ना, उसको लेकर थिंक कर कर एक क्रिएटिविटी माइंड से एक अच्छा वस्तु बनाने के लिए सीखना चाहिए। आपको भी सीखना चाहिए ना, हाउ दे डिड द जुगाड़ व्हीकल्स। स्टिल यू आर स्मॉल बट यू ऑल्सो लर्न हाउ टू मेक अ जुगाड़। छोटा छोटा वस्तु बनाने से ही आपको पता चलेगा हाउ टू क्रिएट अ न्यू थिंग्स। Okay, now see here, can you think of a place where none of these vehicles can reach? Yes, there are such a places are there. आप सोच सकते हैं जहाँ पर कोई भी व्हीकल रीच नहीं होता, जा नहीं सकता, ऐसा प्लेसेस है क्या? Yes, are there? No, such places are there. See, turn the next page and see. See in this one place, there are no vehicles will go. See, this type of areas are there, regions are there. There is none of vehicles go. From these areas, children, people go from one place to another place by walk only, by walk. If they want to go through a thick forest to reach a school, we have to go a thick forest to reach a school. पूरा घना अंधेरा छाया हुआ फॉरेस्ट जंगल में से इस प्रदेश के बच्चों को स्कूल जाना पड़ता है. At some places it is so thick and even sunlight does not pass through. It is also very silent. You can only hear the sound of different birds and other creatures. यहाँ के बच्चों को पूरा घना हुआ जंगल, घना जंगल मीन्स जहाँ देखो पेड़ ही पेड़, नो एनी सनलाइट, अंधेरा ही रहता है. बट दैट वन चिल्ड्रन आर गोइंग टू स्कूल. वहाँ के बच्चे फिर भी स्कूल जाते हैं क्योंकि उनको पढ़ना है. सो दैट यू शुड ऑल्सो लर्न. नो, आपको घर में ही बैठकर हम यहाँ स्कूल से वीडियो भेज रहे हैं तो पढ़ना चाहिए ना बच्चों. वी ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू डू समथिंग क्रिएटिव. आपको भी पढ़कर कुछ तो बनाना है, कुछ तो बनना भी है. वी शुड लर्न फ्रॉम दिस लेसन समथिंग. देखो कैसे बच्चे कहाँ कहाँ से कैसे कैसे स्कूल को जाते हैं. हमारा तो कितना अच्छा है, घर बैठे ही हम पढ़ रहे हैं. अभी जब स्कूल स्टार्ट होगा तो बसेस है, ऑटोज है, यू हैव योर पर्सनल व्हीकल्स. सो सी किड्स, वी आर सो लकी. आप कितने लकी है, आपको सब फैसिलिटी मिल रहा है. सो दैट you learn this one all lessons, whatever your teacher will tell you. No, read and learn, do study well. Okay, see, we saw how to going to school in different regions, how they are suffering from this one transport. हमने कितने प्रदेश के बच्चों को देखा है कैसे कैसे वो स्कूल को जाने के लिए ट्रबल हो रहे हैं. दे आर ट्रबलिंग. नो, ओके. नाउ हियर ऑल्सो सम क्वेश्चंस आर देयर, वी विल सी. हैव यू एवर बीन इन अ थिक जंगल और एनी सच प्लेस? हैव यू एवर बीन इन थिक जंगल और एनी सच प्लेस? आप कभी गए हैं या देखे हैं ऐसा जंगल, thick places? Have you seen? No. Our side, this type of jungles, forests are not there. Yes or no, kids? So we have not seen this type of jungles. We have not went to this type of jungles. If you went, you say, yes, I have seen this type of jungles and have went there. मैंने देखा है, मैं जाकर भी आया हूँ. Okay. Now next see, write your experience in your notebook. आप गए हो तो आपको कैसा फील हुआ? How you feel there? वो उस आपके क्लास वर्क नोटबुक में राइट डाउन कीजिए. कैन यू imitate the sounds of birds? Do it. When you will go in jungle, their sounds are there, different animals are there, how they are making sounds. Will you make it? आप गए हो तो वहाँ के बर्ड्स कैसे साउंड करते हैं, एनिमल्स कैसे साउंड करते हैं, विल यू टेल? ओके, यस. Then you write your feelings. If you went to this type of dark forest jungles, you write your feelings and sounds. Tell the sounds of birds and animals too. Understood, kids? Okay, now we'll see next one is the moving on snow. See kids, in Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, the peoples are going to school, their students are going to school in a snow. We go to school through a miles of snow. We hold hands and walk carefully. How they are saying? They are going to school, miles walk. By miles walk. If snow is soft, our feet sink into it. When the snow is frozen, we may slip and fall. The children are very much troubling to go to school. Northern Hills region peoples and students, they are troubling for transport because there is none of the vehicles, because everywhere only snow. Snow means ice. Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, this one Northern Hills areas people going from one place to another place by walk on ice, snow. If the snow is soft, their feet sink into it. If the snow is frozen, they slip and fall down on that snow. So see kids, here how they are going, students are going to school. So special is there, no? So horrible is there, no? How much troubling there. But they are going to school for study, to learn. यहाँ कितना तकलीफ है इनको, फिर भी वहाँ के बच्चे स्कूल जाकर पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. So good are they, no? Okay, you also good are there, because in this pandemic you are sitting in your home and doing study. आप भी बहुत अच्छे हो बच्चे, आप भी अच्छे बच्चे हो, क्योंकि in this pandemic you are sitting in your home and doing study on mobile, online. Thank you kids, you are doing for study. Okay, have you ever seen so much snow where in films or somewhere else? Have you seen this type of snow? Some children are seen and some children doesn't see, because some are went to this one Northern Hills. They are seen this type of snows. They are seeing this type of snow, and some children saw this type of snow in films, serials. And some children saw this type of snow when they went to northern hills with their parents. कुछ बच्चे अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ नॉर्दर्न हिल्स जम्मू कश्मीर हिमाचल गए थे वहाँ पर उन्होंने देखा है. तो फिर सम चिल्ड्रन कुछ बच्चे फिल्म में देखा है, मूवीज़ में देखा है ऐसा प्लेसेस रीजन्स. ओके, हियर वी विल स्टॉप टुडेज क्लास. Today's homework is, kids, first you read the all new words, then learn that one, next read the lesson. At the end of this lesson, I will give you all question answers. लेसन ख़त्म होने के बाद मैं आपको पूरा लेसन के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दे दूँगी until you read the lesson. Okay, thank you.